Gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza umuthi ni ekinyirie bunge-ini ya Senate gucokia thitango cia kuhagurwo gwake ni bunge ya kaunti iyo na gutuika gavana wa mbere kuhagurwo maita matatu rungu rwa miaka iri ni bunge ya kaunti
to present her case before the Senate.
Thutha wa guthomerwo thitango ithatu iria acukeirwo, Kawira ni akanire thitango icio.
The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, how do you plead to the three charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Kuringana na mawakili ya Kawira magitongorio ni Elias Mutuma na Elisha Ogoya, thitango iria thitangeirwo ni cia maheni na itiri na muthingi o wothe wa kiwatho.
Distinguished senators, how else can you describe this than a lie? Can there be another word in the dictionary of Englishmen and women that can describe this if not a lie?
Ni mongereire kuga Kawira arahurwo bara ya giuteti ni arugamiria wodi aria mehitire mwaka muhituku no makamuhagura ringi thutha wa kuhonokio ni bunge ya Senate muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku riria ahaguritwo rita ria keri riu makienda maseneta matianirie thitango ici ta hau kabere.
When we are here debating the last motion, they needed any new grounds. They were sounding a warning to this house. Release her and we shall come back 6 times. If they reinstate her, we will impeach her until the 6th time, so that we tell the people of Meru we did our best. We tried to impeach, but the Senate reinstated her.
Ona kuri uguo mawakili ya bunge ya kaunti ya Meru matongoretio ni Ndegwa Njiru maugite Kawira ndari no hoti na umenyo wothe wa gutongoria kaunti ya Meru na guthie na mbere gwake gutungata ta gavana wa kaunti iyo ni igutha inene kuri muingi wa kaunti ya Meru.
We shall bring before you evidence how money and resources that Kenyans are on day-to-day basis working hard to generate are being misused at the heart and the behest of the governor, at the quest or behest of her inability to govern the resources, her inability to manage the county government of Meru, her inability to be in charge of the county. That is the case that we have before you.
Niongereire kuga Kawira akoretwo akihuthira maabitha ngurani thirikari-ini yake kuna watho na kwagarara gatiba ya bururi niguo kwihithania ndagatacukirio makinya ma kiwatho guku akiagira kiene bunge ya kaunti iyo.
She blames others. She keeps on saying it wasn't me. She is in charge of the county that as we speak has embezzled, courtesy of maintaining a manual payroll, Kenya shillings 212 million hard-earned money due to the inability to manage the county.
Mwena wa thitango ni urugamiria ira gukindira thitango ciao matongoretio ni murugamiriri wa wodi wa guthukio Zipora Kinya uria niwe warugamirire mutaratara wa kuhagura Kawira bunge-ini ya Meru kuonania uria Kawira akoretwo akiamura andu matakinyanirie ikiro gutongoria honge itiganite cia thirikari yake mugaru na watho.
Honorable Chair, listens to the people of Meru. Listens to the cry of the people of Meru and saves the people of Meru from the agony of crying.
Shiro yugathie na mbere muthenya wa rucio riria Kawira akagia na mweke wa gwitetera na kurugamia aira mbere ya maseneta macokete guikia kura ya gukindira kuhagurwo gwake kana mamuhonokie rita ria gatatu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.